Hello dear student, last time we studied the polarization effect and decomposition potential. So it is time to study the electrode reaction. In electrogravity analysis, we are interested in the electrolysis of salt solution. Salt solution means which solution? Copper sulfate solution, sodium chloride solution, etc. It is therefore necessary to study the reaction and the condition under which that takes place at the electrode. Initially, we have to know the voltage that should be applied to the cell during the electrolysis process. So it is necessary to know the what reaction will occur at the two electrode. So in this reaction, it is possible to calculate the potential of the electrode, and after that we are determine its EMF of the galvanic cell, which is exert its potential in the opposition to the applied voltage. So for that purpose, in the electrode reaction, we are study the example, the electrolysis of 0.1 molar copper sulfate solution, that is our salt solution, in 1 molar H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid, with the platinum electrode. So student, in this particular case, at cathode, we are getting the reduction reaction. Reduction reaction means what? Addition of electron. So here copper in +2 state get add 2 electron, and we are getting the copper in the solid state at our respective cathode. So at the anode we are having a electrolysis of water molecule. After water molecule get dissociate, we are evolved at anode oxygen gas along with 4 hydrogen atom with the 4 electron evolution. So by applying the Nernst equation to calculate the potential of the cathode and the anode will be, for that purpose we are consider the E cell of the copper in +2 state. We are getting the standard electrode potential for that same copper molecule. We are having the equation E cell is equal to standard electrode potential plus 0.0591 divided by 2 give the into the log of 10 raised to -1 divided by 1. So here the standard electrode potential of the copper atom is given, and it is near about 0.337. So put the value of this in the standard electrode potential 0.337 plus we are having the division of 0.0591 divided by 2, we are getting 0.0296. Here the 0.0591 value is constant, and 2 is nothing but the electron involved in that particular reaction. In the generation of copper in the our reaction, we are requiring 2 electron, therefore it is divided by 2. After getting the log, we are getting the minus 1.0. By calculating this particular value, we are having the electrode potential of that particular cell is 0.3075 volt. So let us see the electrode reaction onto the anode, and electrode potential of the oxygen molecule is equal to standard electrode potential of oxygen plus 0.0591 divided by 4. Here the 4 that is considered from the 4 electron that is involved at the anode reaction. So by considering the log of concentration of O2 into concentration of H plus ion divided by concentration of water molecule, here the concentration of O2 is nothing but the partial pressure of the oxygen gas in the atmosphere, which is approximately equal to the 0.21 atmosphere. Here we are considering the value of 0.21 is from what? Because the volume of percent of oxygen in the air is 21, and from that we are considering the value in the atmosphere of the oxygen is 0.21. So you know very well that in that particular reaction, concentration of water molecule is very large. Suppose it is considered as a constant which is equal to 1. So let us consider the concentration of H plus ion is equal to 1 molar, and standard electrode potential of that oxygen molecule is equal to 1.229 volt. So 1.229 volt is a given value. So let us put the value in the below equation, we are getting the electrode potential of that oxygen molecule at the anode. So 1.229 plus 0.0148 into log of 0.21, that is nothing but the percent of oxygen. We are solving this particular equation. We are getting 1.219 volt, that is the standard potential of the oxygen molecule at the anode. So the cell EMF is the algebraic difference of the electrode potential of the two half cell is given by E cell is equal to standard electrode potential of the copper minus electrode potential of the oxygen. Here we are considering the electrode potential at cathode and anode, their difference. After putting the value, we are getting the equation equal to the minus 0.91 volt. So when applied voltage is exactly equal to 0.91 volt, no current will flow through the cell in either direction, which is principle of the potentiometric measurement. So suppose for total cell we are calculating the E applied, we are getting E applied is equal to E cell plus IR drop plus electrode potential at anode and electrode potential at cathode. So the overall study of this particular electrode reaction shows that the reaction will be proceed from right to left. So right to left reaction is happen how? For that purpose we are considering two molecules of copper which is in zero oxidation state plus oxygen plus 4 hydrogen atom gives twice copper in +2 state plus twice water molecule. The reaction is proceeding from right to left. So this is all about the electrode reaction.